Cortina d'Ampezzo, nestled in the heart of the spectacular Dolomite Mountains in northern Italy, is a charming alpine town renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty, world-class skiing, and rich cultural heritage. This enchanting destination beckons travelers from around the globe with its endless array of activities and attractions. For winter sports enthusiasts, Cortina d'Ampezzo is an absolute paradise. The town boasts an extensive network of ski slopes, catering to both beginners and advanced skiers, making it a prime destination for downhill skiing, snowboarding, and cross-country skiing. The annual World Cup ski races held here are a testament to the area's reputation as a premier winter sports hub. Visitors can also enjoy snowshoeing and ice skating, adding to the array of snowy adventures on offer. During the summer months, Cortina transforms into a hiker's paradise. The Dolomites, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, provide an awe-inspiring backdrop for hiking and mountain biking. There are trails of varying difficulty levels, ensuring that both novice and seasoned hikers can explore the region's stunning landscapes. Some of the more popular routes lead to crystal-clear alpine lakes, lush meadows, and majestic peaks. The Lagazoi and Tre Cime di Lavridu are iconic hiking destinations, offering panoramic vistas that will leave you speechless. Cultural enthusiasts will find plenty to explore in Cortina as well. The town's historic center exudes an alpine charm with its quaint shops, restaurants, and charming architecture. The local museum showcases the rich history of the region, including its traditional Ladin culture. Don't forget to sample some of the delicious local cuisine, which combines Italian flavors with alpine influences. Savor hearty dishes like polenta, speck, and canederli while enjoying the warm ambience of mountain chalets. Cortina d'Ampezzo is also a paradise for outdoor adventurers. Rock climbing, paragliding, and horseback riding are just a few of the activities available to thrill seekers. The town's stunning golf course, surrounded by mountain peaks, offers a unique golfing experience. For those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation, the town's upscale spas provide the perfect opportunity to unwind after a day of outdoor activities. The region's pristine air and stunning landscapes also make it an ideal destination for yoga and meditation retreats. Furthermore, Cortina d'Ampezzo is not only a destination for sports and leisure but also a year-round cultural hub. The town hosts numerous events and festivals throughout the year, celebrating everything from classical music to mountain films. The Winter Polo World Cup on ice is a particularly unique event, blending sportsmanship with elegance in the heart of the Alps. In conclusion, Cortina d'Ampezzo offers an unforgettable experience for travelers seeking adventure, culture, and natural beauty. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a history buff, or simply in search of a tranquil escape surrounded by stunning scenery, this alpine gem has something to offer every visitor. Embrace the magic of Cortina d'Ampezzo and immerse yourself in the splendor of the Dolomites.